How to reset password on your Wise application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So first and foremost, make sure you have updated the Wise to its latest version. In order to confirm it, head over to Play Store or App Store and search for the Wise app. If there is an update button, tap on it. If not, you can launch the application by the open button. Now that you land to the page, tap on Get Started and instead of signing in with Google, choose the Login button. It should now take you to another page from where select Trouble signing in. Then choose on the first issue I have forgotten my password. After that, tap on the Reset Password option. After tapping on the Reset Password button, you will have to provide in your email address and a link will be sent to that email address. You'll have to verify it and then create a new password for the Wise app. And there you go. This way, you can use the new password to log in on the Wise app now. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.